guys, welcome back to the channel. So this long weekend, I finally made it back to the Lombok after 30 years since my last visit. Crazy, right? And this time, I checked into the Pullman Kuta Mandalika, one of the newest resorts on the islands. It's only opened 3 years ago during the pandemic, and I was super curious to see how it sold out. Spoiler alert, it's a mix of wow moments and few, really, moments. Just let's dive in. I arrived early, way before check-in, but the room was ready. Always a good first impression. I stay in their deluxe garden view rooms, spacious, modern, with a balcony overlooking the greenery. The highlights, the bathroom. They've got this sunken bathtub that feels like your own mini onsen. Definitely a spot for chill after a day of exploring the island. Resort is located in ITDC Mandalika. At the moment, only 2 hotels are here. Novotel, which has been around forever, and this Pullman. Honestly, I expected more development considering the government opened a Formula One circuit to attract tourism. But slow progress aside, the setting is pretty special. The beach right in the front of the hotel is stunning. Quiet, private, turquoise water, and it still feels natural. One of the highlights, you can book a sunset picnic at Seger Hills. Imagine sitting on the grass, sipping coffee, munching on pastry, while watching the sun dip into the horizon. It's pure bliss. Now let's talk about food. Breakfast at Pullman was quite a surprise. Not only did they have the usual international buffet, but also a dedicated Middle Eastern sections, which you don't see often in Lombok. Of course, I couldn't resist my all-time favorite, bubur ayam, and honestly, it did not disappoint me. Flavorful, comforting, exactly what I need to start the day. Facility-wise, the pool is huge, perfect for laps or just lounging. But here where things got tricky. During my 3-night stay, the pool water was cloudy. Staff said it was under treatment. But it was kinda of a letdown, especially on a long weekend. And to be honest, for a hotel that's only 3 years old, some area already look worn out. I noticed water dripping in places, exposed cables, and rusty metals. It doesn't ruin the experience, but it does raise questions about maintenance in the long run. Another thing that you should know is transportations. The location is peaceful, but it also means getting around isn't so simple. No Grab, no Gojek, no Bluebird taxi. The only option is to book through the hotels. And yeah, the prices are above average. Thankfully, Pullman does have provide a free shuttle to Kota Central, so you can grab food or explore without breaking the bank. So, what's the verdict? Pullman Kuta Mandalika is definitely worth checking out if you are looking for a peaceful escape in Lombok. The room is fantastic, the beach is spectacular, and the breakfast has its highlights. But the pool issue, maintenance details, and transportation limitations are things they really need to work on. Would I come back for the beach vibe and that sunset at Seger Hills? Absolutely yes. Plus, I'd love to return with friends to explore more and go sightseeing around Lombok. Honestly, this island is amazing, but compared to Bali, traveling solo here feels pricier. So, if you can bring some company, it makes the experience better and lighter on the wallet.